So after I replace all those, I guess, casualties, fix them, get everything good, I then have to tackle that one in the background. Step one in fixing the window regulator is obviously taking the door card out. It's very simple, just 4 screws. I'll put a link in the description of the video that I use to take out the door card. Alright, there has been a change of plans. Every time I try to drill it out, it's just slipping on top of the rivet and it's not really catching. So I'm gonna try to grind the top of the rivet off. But this one, let me see where it is. There it is. This one will be easy, should be easy. I know I just jinxed myself. The one back there might be easy, but this one in the corner, that one is gonna be interesting. All right, that one will be interesting. So let's see how that goes. All right, so just to give you all an update, this one right here, as you can tell, it's, well, maybe you could see it, it's like really flat, so that should be ready to pop out. That sounds weird, but should be ready to pop out anytime soon. The problem I'm having is that the wheel is too big to really get onto the rivet itself. It's kind of jamming against this edge, so that will be gone. So I'll just continue on with this one. Here it is. This one right here. Yeah, that shouldn't be too hard, but the real problematic one, it will be this one. This one will be a problem because it's, well, secured in by this wall right here. So, all right. I wish I had a center punch. That would have made my life so much easier, but as usual, I never have all the tools ready. So, all right, keep on with the grind, no pun intended. One, two, and 3. The whole thing is out, almost out, except for the one that I totally dread. All right, same old, drilling and grinding. Here we go. Yay! Alright, so victory is mine. Alright, so the old one is out. Here it is. And the reason why I was so surgical with it is because I wanted to see if this could be saved in any way. All it is like this, I guess, white wheel or whatever you want to call it, just needs to rotate on this, I guess, top piece. And the cable needs to be fixed. I'm not sure if it can or not, but I mean, if it can, might as well save it, right? So that's why I didn't want to damage this piece too much. So, but it's out, and now it's just to take out the small rivets that's left. So don't know if you could, yeah, you could see it. This piece right here, This one here, yeah, I'll need to fix this little scuff mark. And this one here, but this one that was painful. I don't know if I damaged the hole or not, but we'll see when it comes out. I don't think I did, but should be an easy fix. Alright, so after a quick paint job, there are no more scratches, but I have to be honest, there is a little bit of orange peel because I cannot paint to save my life as well as I hate it. But in the future, I'll get better at it because, I mean, I'll have to paint something sooner or later. So I don't know if you could see the orange peel, but let me not advertise it too much. Alright, now it's time to put, I don't know what that is, but time to put that piece back in. I'm wondering if there's a company out there that could fix these things. If there is, then I will clearly be interested in finding out. Well, damn, that was abrupt. Alright, so everything is back together. This part of it is in, all the rivets are in, and it is 100% solid. So it's time to get this whole assembly back into the car. Alright, so the glass is clean and also back in the mechanism, which isn't hard to put in. But if I don't know if you all noticed in the previous, I guess, part of the video, the mechanism that attaches to the glass, it was halfway up. So I needed to attach the whole thing plus the switch, put power to the car using my trusty jumper pack, and then wind this down so that I have enough room to get the glass in because I didn't want to risk breaking the glass. So I did that and now the glass is back in, but we have another problem. This is how dirty it is. I mean, it is just absolutely disgusting. All right, this is unacceptable. All right, so me cleaning will be a very boring video. So, but this is the after the cleaning. And I didn't really go too in depth because you could clearly see the difference between the quality of the paint from the inside to the outside, right? I mean, they didn't really put any effort into it. So getting this all nice and clean, or I guess spotless, isn't worth too much time, but you could definitely see the difference. And I'm okay with it. I wish I could get it cleaner, but time and space and all that isn't really worth it right now. So all right, time to get it, or get this part of the project completed. Yeah, right, this is working on a B5S4. This was an absolute yeah. All the way down. Oh God. All the way up. Success. A small teaser of things to come.